In today's digital age, opportunities to earn extra cash are just a click away. What if you could turn your downtime into dollars, all from the comfort of your own home? With Payrib, this dream becomes a reality. Payrib is your gateway to a world of simple yet rewarding earning opportunities, allowing you to supplement your income with ease. Imagine getting paid for watching entertaining ads, sharing your opinions through surveys, or conquering fun challenges. Payrib makes it possible. Whether you're a student looking for pocket money, a stay-at-home parent seeking financial flexibility, or simply someone who wants to make the most of their free time, Payrib offers a user-friendly platform to achieve your earning goals. No more complicated gigs or demanding schedules. Payrib empowers you to earn on your own terms, whenever and wherever you choose. Join us as we delve into the world of Payrib and discover how you can unlock your earning potential today. Payrib stands out for its straightforward approach to earning. The platform offers a variety of engaging activities that translate directly into cash rewards. Let's explore the exciting ways you can earn with Payrib. First, watching ads becomes a rewarding experience with Payrib. Earn points by simply viewing short and entertaining advertisements from various brands. It's a passive way to accumulate earnings while discovering new products and services. Second, surveys become a source of income. Payrib partners with companies eager to hear your opinions. Share your thoughts by completing surveys on a wide range of topics, from consumer products to lifestyle choices, and earn valuable points for each completed survey. Third, put your skills to the test with Payrib's engaging challenges. These interactive activities, such as quizzes or mini-games, offer a fun and rewarding way to earn extra points. Getting started with Payrib is quick and easy. Just follow these simple steps to embark on your earning journey. First, visit the Payrib website. Open your web browser and head over to www.payrib.com. The user-friendly interface will welcome you. Second, create your free account. Click on the Sign Up button and provide a few basic details to create your free Payrib account. Third, explore the earning options. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by a dashboard displaying various earning opportunities. Browse through the available ads, surveys, and challenges. Finally, start earning. Choose the activities that pique your interest and start earning points right away. Each task clearly displays the points you'll earn upon completion. Section 4. Maximize your earnings tips and tricks. Now that you're familiar with the basics, let's explore some proven strategies to maximize your earnings on Payrib. First, log in daily. Make it a habit to check your Payrib account every day. New earning opportunities are added regularly, so consistent engagement ensures you never miss out. Next, participate in challenges. Don't shy away from challenges. They offer a fun and potentially lucrative way to boost your point total. Set aside some time each day to tackle a few challenges. Third, refer your friends. Share the Payrib opportunity with your friends and family. Most referral programs offer generous bonuses for each successful sign-up through your unique referral link. Finally, complete your profile. Take a few minutes to complete your profile with accurate information. This allows Payrib to personalize your earning opportunities, ensuring you receive surveys and challenges that align with your interests. Section 5. Cash in your rewards, simple and convenient. Payrib offers a seamless experience when it's time to reap the rewards of your efforts. Once you've accumulated enough points, you have the flexibility to choose your preferred redemption method. First, cash out. Opt for a direct transfer of your earnings to your PayPal account or choose to receive a prepaid Visa card. Second, gift cards. Redeem your points for gift cards from a wide array of popular retailers, restaurants, and online services. Treat yourself or a loved one to something special. The redemption process is designed with simplicity in mind, ensuring you receive your rewards promptly and hassle-free. Section 6. Join the Payrib community today. In a world filled with complex side hustles, Payrib stands out as a beacon of simplicity and accessibility. Earning extra cash from home has never been easier or more rewarding. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, save for a specific goal, or simply enjoy the satisfaction of earning rewards in your free time, Payrib empowers you to take control of your financial well-being. Don't let another opportunity pass you by. Sign up for Payrib today and join the growing community of individuals who are discovering the joy of earning on their own terms. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your earnings grow steadily over time. Your journey towards financial freedom begins with a single